How to turn off auto dubbing on YouTube mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off auto dubbing on YouTube mobile. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the YouTube app on your phone. And now here once you are inside the app, you can just go to any video that you want to watch from your feed, and after that you can simply start playing it normally. And here once the video starts, you can just tap on that particular video, and after that you can just tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of that particular video. And now here from the pop-up menu, what you can do is you can just tap on audio track, and there you may see the options like auto dubbed languages, for example French, Spanish, German. So here you can just switch to the original audio instead if you want to turn off the auto dubbing. And here once you switch it to original audio, the auto dubbing will be turned off immediately. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.